Approaching York Street, and this beautiful building is the Queen Vic building. The detail on that is just absolutely phenomenal. Check it out. Like I say, let's go and have a look inside for you. So we are just waiting across the road here. You've got no chance of getting across unless you wait for the lights, it's that busy. And there's the Sydney Tower. Here we go. Let's get across the road. And let's, as I say, go and have a look in the Queen Vic and get you some spectacular footage from there. So we're just going to turn right now into the Queen Vic. We'll probably get the lift upstairs or the escalator there, and let's have a look around. It is absolutely beautiful in here, full of shops, full of people flying through. We've got a screaming kid there. Daryl's just going to get on the escalator. Here we go. We are in the Queen Victoria building now here. We've got loads of tables and chairs there where I suppose there is a very busy cafe or restaurant. Let's go up to the top level. And Daryl's just said it's even very warm and humid in this particular building here. So we're on the top floor, and we do normally take a really good, nice walk around here. We've got some absolutely fantastic stores. Just check that one out there. That does look absolutely amazing. We are quite early, so nowhere is probably open yet, but I'd imagine later on in the day it does get quite busy where these shops are. Look at all the jewellery they've got in that one. So every shop is just full of all different things. We've got all different pens and everything in there, shoe horns. We've even got a load of different type watches. This is probably one of my favourite bits here, where we've got like the dome hanging from the ceiling with the story of Sydney. Let's check that out and have a look. And underneath it we've got the clock. It does look absolutely superb. I'll have another look as we get closer to that in a minute. But let's just check out the people coming through there, and we've got like a little cafe there, and there's loads and loads of people sitting in there having the breakfast. So again, we've got another jewellery shop there. We've got loads and loads of watches. In this window we've got a lot of necklaces and rings. So there is some beautiful shops, and look how nice it looks with all the carpet. Closer look now at this clock that hangs from the ceiling, and as I say, it does tell stories. So there's some tremendous displays there of people from the olden days doing lots and lots of different things. So it does amaze me, on all the floors we've got places where you can sit and have a drink and have something to eat. It's amazing how it does all pay off, and you can do that. And this display thing here hanging from the ceiling is magnificent. Got there another wonderful, wonderful window display of cases, briefcases, handbags, and wines there. Just have a look at this from the other side, and it does show you more there. The little cafe we've got selling coffee and tea cakes and muffins on the ground floor. Spectacular place. And look at the stained glass windows here. Again, they do look absolutely phenomenal. Beyond a little bit further to the end here. I think here we have got a memorial window. Let's have a look at that. Here now it does show you the very, very bottom level. That's where you do get a lot of people walking up and heading towards work. It is quite busy there. We've got the centre level. That's where the cafe is again. We've got another level there, and we've got the level that we're on. And again, we've got another absolutely beautiful display of a clock and like a castle hanging down from the ceiling there. So the Queen Victoria building, it's completely free to get in here, and I do strongly recommend you come in here and just check the area out. It's absolutely beautiful and well worth coming in. Shops here. It's just coming to 9 now. I think most places here don't open till 10 o'clock. So we've probably got another hour. Look at the paintings and the artwork we've got in that shop there. Like I say, all taken, most of these shops are, so I'd imagine later on in the day it is a completely different place in here and very, very busy. We've got a poster there advertising open late for dinner and all day breakfasts. Clothes store there, they've got plenty of ladies' clothes in there. We've got like a Australian Outback store with didgeridoos and things like that in there, and Australian artwork. Here at the end, I think, if it's still here, and I think it is, they've got an absolute amazing Hornby & Co model railway set. Of course it's not running yet because the place is closed, but the roundabout there is going round. Looks amazing. Look at the detail they've put into the modelling on there, the buildings, the houses, the mine they've got here, the playground area, the old steam trains, the tunnels. Must have taken them absolutely hours to build this display. Yeah, that was absolutely amazing there. We can get the lift now and go down to the lower level. The final look there at the top level of the Queen Victoria building. So this is the lower ground level of the Queen Vic, and you can see what a difference it actually is here. We've got people moving and walking around absolutely everywhere. suppose a lot of them are heading to work. We've got guys all dressed up in suits, so they're all going to do their daily business here in Sydney, Australia, down in the city. There's more and more shops here, so like I've said up there, it must be very, very busy for all this area to stay open. I feel like we have got to go down to the next level. It looks like it's closed from this point on this level, so we'll go down the escalator and that'll take us past all the cafes where people are buying the breakfast and having coffee before they go work. Here we go, more and more shops. Shops are just everywhere, and we've got the Victoria House coffee bar there. So you can have a drink and you can come sit on these tables and just chill, eat your breakfast and go to work. So we probably have just left the Queen Vic and we're going under the street, and the shops again absolutely everywhere, and it must take you to the pedestrianised area where the tower is. So it has brought us to the Westfield shopping centre, and it just has said to me there, thanks for shopping at Queen Vic. So here we go. We've gone under the road there, and we're now right opposite the Queen Victoria building here in Sydney, and just check it out, it does look absolutely amazing. And this is George Street that we're looking straight along at the side of the Victoria building there. Let's just take a few shots of this and just zoom in onto the Vic there.